why did we drive all the way across town for the happy platter?
We'd like a booth over there near the philodendron. Good, right? Near the philodendron.
And this platter doesn't look all that happy to me. It looks bored.
Ha! The bored platter.
I thought Vi would want to change a pace from drive-in food.
I like drive-in food.
Does this mean vegetables?
A balanced diet means vegetables, kiddo. Get used to it.
Good evening, everyone.
Oh!
Oh,
Is she all right?